Oklahoma under the perfect conditions for wildfires, as most of the state is dealing with prolonged drought and gusty winds.
A number of grass fires popped up in the metro along with some burn bans, but as Fox 25's Rob Hagan explains, Oklahoma County actually not one of them. Rob.
That's right, Wendy. Adam, 9 counties are currently under burn bans, including Cleveland County, that saw a grass fire shut down portions of I-35. But county commissioners say the decision to burn or not to burn has to go up a bureaucratic chain.
9 counties are under burn bans, making it unlawful to set fire to any forest, grass, or other vegetation. It also makes it illegal to build a campfire or burn trash that could cause a wildfire. I found 2 county commissioners at a ribbon cutting and asked them the burning question. Why is Oklahoma County not under a burn ban?
There are a number of people that don't have trash service. And so if we put a burn ban in place, they're unable to burn off their trash. And so we have to be considerate to that, because that creates another problem after a period of time. And when we issue them, we tend to issue them for a 30-day period of time.
Most of the state's under some form of drought, including Oklahoma County.
Do you not think that Oklahoma is under high fire danger right now?
I think our aquifer in Oklahoma County is actually not as bad as it is even maybe just to the south. And so for now, we feel like, it's manageable.
Last March, Cleveland, Creek, Lincoln, Logan, Oklahoma, Pawnee, and Payne counties battled wildfires, which claimed the lives of 4 people. According to the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management, more than 530 homes and businesses were damaged by those fires. 515 were destroyed, including the governor's ranch in Luther. Oklahoma's top forestry official charged with protecting Oklahoma's lands was fired over the response to those fires.
Is Oklahoma ready for another wildfire emergency like that we saw last year?
Oh, I think so. And I believe that our latest drought report said in spite of the strain of not having rain for so long, our aquifer was still at about 75%.
But Commissioner Brian Mon says the decision to protect the county under a burn ban has to go through a bureaucratic chain. So does Commissioner Miles Davidson.
A few years ago, they changed state statute. Our emergency manager is on the phone with our local fire chiefs across the county, asking them, and as soon as we meet the state statute, we're probably going to be in a burn ban.
Now, commissioners say it's up to a recommendation from area fire chiefs who work through Oklahoma County Emergency Management, and the emergency management director then gives county commissioners a recommendation. It's that easy, folks. Live at the Oklahoma County building, Rob Hagan, Fox 25 News.